Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw money from Cash App to your bank account. So here is a step-to-step guide on how to withdraw money from Cash App to your bank account. First thing you have to do is launch your Cash App on your smartphone or your PC. Then you log in your account if needed. Then from there, you tap on the bank icon on the home screen, and your Cash App balance will display at the top. So from there, you can tap on Cash App. You tap on the Cash App, then you input your bank information. Then once you do that, then you initiate the transaction. And from there, you can also choose the transfer speed. And just simply add the standard deposit, which is between 3 business days, between 1 day or 3 days. You get your transfer speed. Then you can also opt in for instant deposit, which is also between 0.5% to 1.75% of your amount. And also you can also confirm or initiate the transaction by tap on the cash out or tap on confirm button, depending on the version of the cash out that you're using. So if the system prompts, you can verify your identity by using your PIN or your fingerprint or your Face ID. Depends on the one you activate on your account. So if your phone supports Face ID, you can just use the Face ID verification, or if it is fingerprint, it depends, or if it is PIN, it depends on the version of your Cash App. So if you're running on the old version, you can just simply go to your stores, then update your Cash App app. Then after that, then you can verify the completion of the transfer by just add a standard deposit check from your bank account, which all takes about 1 to 3 business days before you can get that. You can also opt in for instant deposit, which is hard fund from your bank account within a minute. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for